Welcome guys, today I am with the Windows laptop and I'm going to show you how you can pair JBL Flip free with this device. So first you have to click on this power button to turn it on. Right now you have to click on the Bluetooth button to move this speaker to the pairing mode. Another step, on our laptop we have to simply go for the start and go for the main settings. We have to go for the left side for this panel, select Bluetooth and devices. As you can see, in my case the Bluetooth is already turned on, so I don't have to click on the switcher. I can simply go to add a device, select Bluetooth, and now just be patient and wait until this speaker will be on the list. As you can see, you can find it at the bottom. Oh, I just misclick for the Me kettle, never mind. So select JBL Flip free. As you can see, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.